Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 9 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
This week has been a good week.
Good. So are there any weight loss, weight gain over the last 7 days?
No, I had 3 pounds weight loss, so
Excellent.
that was really good.
Back
Yep.
back on track now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's very good. So how much total weight did you lose so far?
So far it's been 25 pounds.
25 pounds in 9 weeks.
Yeah.
Do you consider that accomplishment?
Oh,
Or
yes, yes, hugely because I don't feel like I've been on a diet,
Yeah,
and because I haven't.
that's right.
But I've enjoyed it, and I've enjoyed the learning process, obviously. But even the eating, it's been not as hard as I anticipated.
That's right, and that's why for like what we are we were focusing more on learning
Mhm.
and applying what we are learning more than how much weight we are losing.
Right.
Losing weight, this is the end result of changing the lifestyle,
Right.
right? And
Right.
this is now right now we're seeing the end result of
Mhm.
you know changing like the lifestyle, right?
Right.
That's right. So, do you think for the coming 10 or 11 weeks, you can set up a big goal,
Oh yeah.
right?
Oh yeah.
Right?
I'm pretty pumped about it actually.
Yeah.
I think if I've made this much progress this far as I'm
Yeah.
still learning
Correct.
and making, little adjustments and changes, then I feel like I'm just ready for the
Ready.
next 10 weeks to really do some damage.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So, yeah, I look forward to have a follow-up interview with next week. And next time we'll set up a goal for week 20, right? So, and see if you can make it to
Yeah.
make you head to a new goal for week 20.
Okay,
Very
sounds good.
Thank you.